Are you overwhelmed by compliance paperwork, insurance verification, and ever changing safety requirements? What if I told you that you could streamline contractor management, reduce risk, and unlock new business opportunities, all from one secure platform? So meet Avetta, the global leader in contractor risk management. You can find them by going to avetta.com. So Avetta is a purpose-built contractor and supplier risk management platform trusted by thousands of companies worldwide. Whether you're a contractor, supplier, or client, Avetta helps you collect, verify, and audit compliance data, ensuring you meet safely and regulatory standards for every job. With exclusive perks, digital worker IDs, and a vibrant network, Avetta empowers you to connect with more clients and stand out in your industry. With Avetta, you get what you pay for. Thanks to flexible, scalable pricing based on your client connections and regions, not your employee count. So you can enjoy fast track compliance with professional assistance, award winning customer service, and swift document reviews. You can get access to discounted safety, insurance, and PPE products, plus worker level compliance and digital IDs for seamless site access. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up your Avetta account, submit compliance documents, verify insurance, and manage worker profiles. We'll also explore the different membership plans, show you how to access exclusive network benefits, and share tips for maximizing your visibility and opportunities within the Avetta community. First things first, head over to their website, and you can find in here under the products the actual supplier or contractors under the worker compliance. You can find this, so head over to plans option. Now from in there, we have in here the purpose-built plans. We have the member, essentials, advantage, and premier. Head over and click onto the register now on the plan that you wish to choose. For example, for this case, I'll just choose the essentials. If you're not decided yet, you can compare plans based on the key features that is available on each of them right here. So on this part, I'll just choose essentials and I've already signed up. You just need to head over and input your details under the registration form right there. But once you're done, you should be able to see in here this. So let's head over and get started. Now in here, we just need to find connections, do service evaluations, and check out. For this case, we can manage client connections. So here we have some clients that we can add. So if you have specific clients, you can head over and then search them right here. So for example, let's search in here for actual options. So you can input right here the name of the contractor, and then this will search for that. Now you can see in here see some options. So you have the option to actually add them. For example, let's click onto this add, and as you can see, they've been added. So let's head over and add some more. Let's add Ethos, as well as Astra, and also let's add PG&E. So for example, you already have in here all your clients. Next thing you need to do is to click on next. Now do take note that the price of your plan actually is from how many your client is. So in here you can see the services performed and you can select all the services that your company performs. So we have on-site or industrial or construction services. We have on-site support services, off-site, material supplier, transportation option, professional technical, and real estate service. For this case, I'll just choose the transformation or transportation services. Now in here, you can select a lot of options from this case. Like for example, we have in here the services performed, and you can also add some more because it's common to add in here another one or other option or services that you can perform. When you scroll down to the very bottom, it will ask how many employees you have. For example, let's input 10. And they will ask if you're the sole owner with no employees. So I'll just head over and then click on no right here since I have employees right there. Next thing you need to do is you just need to head over right here to the transportation services, which I actually chosen earlier. and it will ask if you strictly transport parcels, mail, or package as a service. I'll click on yes right here, and as you can see, the next option is now green. Head over and click on that, and in here, this will prompt you to the secure checkout option. Now in here, you can just choose the payment method. So I have payment method available for the credit or debit card. You can just input right here your card, and you can see in here the required field and the legs. Now in here, you can see the membership option. So do take note that Advantage membership, your clients are assessed that your scope of your work requires pre-qualification, data verification, and safety reporting. In addition, Avetta gives you access to their extended client network and member benefits. So since we have four connections right here, you can see that we have $3,450. So we have the activation fee of $299 with no tax. So you can see in here the actual total. If you have a coupon code, you can just input it right here and click on apply. Also have the option to upgrade to Avetta Vetify, which is a premium support designed to save your time and money by expediting the review process and ongoing account maintenance. So for example, if you remove one of your clients right here, this will actually load the checkout page anymore. And as you can see, it will actually reduce the cost. So this means that it doesn't actually based on how many employees you have. It is based on how many clients you have for this case. So you can just integrate here all of your connections. Then from there, just input your details and click on save and continue in order to successfully register. Once Once you have successfully registered, you should be able to receive 40% average cost savings over competitors, with 1.5 times more contractors realize the ROI of Avetta versus Avetta's top competitor, with 500 plus global hiring organization and 20% multi-channel support in 36 languages. So you can see in here the problem that you're facing and how Avetta can actually help you solve that particular problem. So in here, you should be able to see in here how Avata works. So Avata can streamline the onboarding process by eliminating the redundant paperwork by providing your compliance information once and sharing it with all your clients. So you can just provide it once and it will be shared to all of them. So essentially saving your time. So with this, you can cut down on manual tasks, paperwork, and communication time to boost productivity for core business activities and projects. With this, you can assess and monitor safety practices, ensure compliance, and foster a safety culture. With this, you can stay current with evolving regulations, standards, and requirements to increase transparency and reduce potential legal risk from non-compliance. You can also have in here some more options such as proactively identify and address issues before they escalate, and you can also access real-time data and analytics to evaluate subcontractors based on their risk profile and performance history. So thank you for watching our Avetta tutorial for beginners. If this video helped you simplify compliance and contractor management, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team or fellow contractors. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on the best tools or risk management and business growth. So, which Avetta feature are you most excited to use? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.